She's back on the vlog! Yeah! Hello everybody. It is very early despite our energy. It's 5:30.
That was all fake energy.
All fake energy. Sorry, I've done that all with the radio on. Gosh, I'm out of touch. Practice.
Words.
We're on our way to...
Oh, Amsterdam.
There we go. Yeah.
Yes.
I mean...
Sorry, eyes on the road.
I thought you were going to like yell it with some sort of...
Amsterdam!
We're off to Amsterdam to celebrate some of our friends' 30th. And we're excited. Come join us. Sweet angle. Yeah, I'm vlogging on public transport, this is what happened. We're on a tram. I could have been on a tram. Oh, I've got all the chins then. Delightful. A little bit of background. It is these two's 30th. This is why we're here, Scott and Chloe. Wait, oh wait, there's Scott. Where's Chloe? Up there. How does it feel being 30? Freaking out or are you still comfortable?
Great to be with you.
Ah! That's staying in the vlog. We are just arrived, we're just going to the old town. And we're set to have the most beautiful weekend as well, weather-wise. Like it's 21 or something today, 29 tomorrow. So yeah, let's go see some sights. I'm sorry, you'd be terrified if that was coming at you. I feel rude doing this at a restaurant, but we are at a restaurant having our dinner and oh my god, I'm a trip advisor now, so everywhere that we've been this trip that's amazing, I'll make sure I link it. We've just legged it because we were maybe we were literally like 1 minute away, but we have just walked an entire Thai in like 8 minutes. So now we're doing a tour of Amsterdam on the river with a bottomless beer and wine. It's great.
Standard.
I can highly recommend, guys, if you come to Amsterdam, do a boat tour. Amsterdam.com. We got the premium cruise sprint that you can have all your drinks included.
And we have smashed it. We have.
I mean,
Congratulations.
quite frankly, Scott, I don't know, I can't keep track.
6.
He can. Look at this poor focus.
Oh! Guys, she got. This is work. This is work, Katie.
The next day.
Scott's gone for Smarties and sprinkles on his waffle. He's just a casual 30-year-old man. Eating sprinkles for breakfast. Good morning, everybody. I've lost all control. This is my third.
Alright.
She's got the camera out. She's only going to do it for a second.
How brave she is. A second ago she was nervous.
Brave or stupid? She's going to be stupid, isn't she? Oh my god, that's so cool. It's 29 degrees. We're in Amsterdam. What is life? This is quite possibly the most beautiful park I've ever been to.
Gorgeous, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Okay.
And yes, guys, in case you didn't catch me, it's 29 degrees.
It feels lovely, doesn't it? It's not too hot. We've got a lovely little breeze. The Neil Walk Grand Prix.
Yeah, championships.
3, 2, 1, go!
Had a really hilarious but unfortunate moment where I'd put my braces in some tissue wrap and then accidentally threw them away. But thanks to the love of my friends, they've all just dug them out. They're being washed. They were still in the tissue, weren't they? So they're not going to be like straight in the mouth. Do you know what is amazing in Amsterdam is that we've seen so many people in their, I'd say 60s, late 50s, who are just so youthful and healthy. Hi guys, hi guys. Subtle. We've just done the Anne Frank's Museum, which was wow, amazing actually. Harrowing in many respects, but incredibly poignant, and an absolutely incredible tour as well. They've done it so well. Fun fact, Amsterdam is beautiful. It's not a fact, it's an opinion. But I think it's an opinion shared by a lot of people.
I agree.
At night, it just feels, does it feel a little bit like we've gone back in time?
Yeah. It also just feels oddly festive. It feels quite Christmassy. I bet this is an amazing place to have Christmas.
Oh, we didn't give our reaction to the red light district.
Huh.
I think we should do it in facial expression. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I started.
The next day.
We've had 3 hours sleep. I went for breakfast. I forgot to take you with me because I'm that tired. And I'm really out of this vlogging practice. I really don't think I've got as much content as I should have for a vlog. But we're heading home now. It has been absolutely glorious. Delirium is setting. We're waiting, we can't find the gate. What's the gate, Simone? Wait.
Oh my God. You've got to do it up.
We've been here for way too long and up way too early. Hey team, back vlogging. Do you know what's hilarious though is that obviously I'm walking to the Gleam party right now, which is where a million other vloggers are going to be, all with their cameras, and we're all going to look like knobs together. Oh, this isn't open. Brilliant. I mean, are they all listening to the same track though? That's the question. Great night. I was really chuffed with myself, so I brought some flowers home. It's quite a big bunch though. I don't think we can put this into scale, although Slice just reminded me, he's got really bad hay fever. This is like your hell, your kryptonite. But they're so beautiful. I couldn't see them go to waste.
I'm so upset. They're taller than me.
I'll move them into the garden in the morning. Oh! Sorry. You was putting a sausage in my face and it scared the crap out of me.
Shh. People are asleep, Katie. Don't panic over the sausage. God.
Because it's 11:30. Yeah, people go to bed so early in this house.
They really do.
My fiance is the best fiance ever. Look, I've just come home too. Freshly made bed and candles. Oh, I love it. Thank you, monkey. Sorry I brought you flowers. So beautiful though.